Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have some roast pork, has some pan-fried tofu, and some ginger and also scallion, spring onion. I'm going to cook all this together. Then we are going to need some, this is cornstarch, salt, Shaoxing wine, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, some oyster sauce, and of course some filtered water. So first of all, we are going to saute the ginger. This is young ginger, by the way. If you want to make any ginger scallion dishes, actually restaurant always use young ginger, yeah? You will have stronger ginger flavor. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. About 30 seconds later, you just put in some spring onion, the white portion of it. Continue sauteing. As you started to see the ginger started to brown, we can actually start giving it some Shaoxing wine, some filtered water, some oyster sauce. Ooh, I can smell the ginger and also scallion already. Some light soya sauce, a little bit of dark soya sauce for the color, some fine salt, to give it more umami flavor. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, you can put it in. Those interested can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any NVIDIA restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. You can put in a little bit of sugar, just a bit, to balance the flavor a bit. Then I'm putting in the tofu together with the roast pork. I took out the roast pork from my fridge so it sticks together. Now we can raise the heat. This tofu that I'm using is a little bit more firm, okay? So let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, I'm going to close it with a lid and let it simmer for about 2 minutes maybe. This is after about 2-3 minutes simmering. Wow, looks really good. Almost done. I'm going to put in the remaining of the spring onion. Few dashes of white pepper. And I'm going to off the fire. Then only I'll be adding in some starch solution. It's always a good practice to add in starch solution right after you off the fire, okay? It's more even this way. Right, immediately you see the sauce has thickened up and wrapped nicer onto the roast pork and also tofu. Right, ready to be served. That's how simple it is. Right, so I hope you like my roast pork fried tofu stir fry with ginger scallion. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook for friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.